Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Check it out. I've got 2 drone drops. This should be actually 2 months. I've just been so busy I haven't been able to get to these, but this should be for the months of June and July. So 2 drone drops. You can see how they kind of changed the box here. They kind of did away with those stripings. I'm kind of sad about that. I really like the type of striping they did, but who knows, maybe it was too expensive for them to negotiate a deal for the painting. But anyway, I got 2 of them here. We're going to open them up and see what's inside. Okay, as you can see, one of them is kind of busted up. I guess it kind of got busted up in the mail. Hopefully everything's okay in there. This one seemed to do pretty good. No problem there. So let's open up the busted up one first. I think this one actually came first in the mail. Okay, and let's see what's in here. Cool, so ethics stickers, is that what you say? And then some black sheep stickers here on top. Propellers, what kind of propellers are these? These are Dal Prop HQ Durable Prop 5x4. So we get 2 packs of these. I got mine in blue. And is this the same thing but in orange? So 3 sets of props, 5x4, all the same. What else we got here? Well, this is interesting. Kind of like a zip tie thing. Let's see if we pull these apart. Yeah, it's like a tie strap, cable management kind of thing where you put it in and actually can manage your cables or whatever you have there. Looks like they give 3 strips of those. And what else? Okay, some of the smaller bags here. Oh, cool. This is kind of coinciding with one of the last boxes I got. The TBS 5G MMX linear antenna. So I think I got the transmitter for this. You see how it has that MMX connector on the bottom, those pop-in connectors. So I did get the transmitter for this in the last package. So if you continue on your packaging, you're getting parts that are really useful. Next thing in the box is the TBS 5G right-hand circular polarized patch antenna. Cool, look at that. So it's a patch, and we're just going to screw it on. This one does have the stinger inside, just to let you guys know. Nice, so a little patch antenna for your goggles. What else we got here? Screws. Okay, TBS Oblivion screw set. There we go. Last thing in this box. Wow, okay, so we get a frame, guys. Really nice, the Oblivion frame set. Okay, I should have put 2 and 2 together. These screws are coinciding right with this frame set. So the screw set here you need for this frame set. Check this thing out. Nice. So it's not even, this isn't even 3D printed. This is actually molded plastic. So if you're looking at and you're interested in building an Oblivion drone, there we go. We got a full frame here. Nice, and look at that. So we have the top canopy where we're going to put our camera in there and everything. We get all the parts for that. Black sheep stamp on it there. We can see it kind of shining in the light there. So really nice box. This frame itself is probably worth the subscription price of the whole box. And you also get all this stuff extra, all these propellers, that antenna we can put on our VTX from our last drone drop, 3 sets of propellers, Ethics and Team Black Sheep stickers, and then this cable management system. So really good drone drop there. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff back in this box, and let's open that other drone drop. All right, so drone drop number 2. We need to open this up and see what's inside. All right, breaking the seal. This is the first time I've seen this one too. What do we got? Okay, so we got some, I'm just going to pull this one out first. A Lipo Bag. This is the first time I've seen them give a Lipo Bag. It is a Team Black Sheep Lipo Bag, so looks like Drone Drop has some good deals, promotional deals with Team Black Sheep to be putting a lot of their stuff in their packages. So look at this thing. So everybody needs to keep their Lipo safe when you're charging and also when you're storing them. Put them in a bag like this, and this looks like a high quality Lipo protective pouch is what it's saying. Got a Velcro on top, and that can fit quite a few Lipos in there. I just wanted to see if there was any side pockets. No, it's just all one single big pocket. If you guys don't have any Lipo bags, get some Lipo bags because it'll save you from having, if a Lipo does explode and have some kind of anomaly, or burn or smoke or something, if it's in here, it won't burn down your house or burn down something that's next to it and destroy it. So really good to have these around. You need to have these around if you're dealing with any kind of lithium type of batteries. Let's see what else we have. So we have LEDs. Wow, this is the first for LEDs I've seen. 4 LEDs. It looks like they just kind of break apart on a little wafer, and there's 3 in each set. Do those just kind of break apart? Yeah. So you break those off. So Tiny's LEDs. If you're building drones, you need little LED sets. Some ethics stickers. All right. Stickers are always nice. Makes everything cooler. We have a Rotor X battery strap. Looks like a good quality battery strap there. Velcro. And then it has slightly grippy vinyl here on the outside. What else do we have? We have an Omnibus F4 version 5.1 flight controller. Check this thing out. This is by Airbot. And that's basically what it is, just a flight controller. I guess I should possibly try to pull this out of the package. And that's it. You get a little instruction manual with it. I'm not going to really go through that. But there's a flight controller. Check that out there. It's looking pretty good if you're into building quads. That is it. Omnibus F4 V5.1. That alone there is probably worth the entire cost of the package. And we have 3 more sets of props. These are HQ prop, high quality props. 5.1 by 4. Is that 5? 4.6 by 3 propellers. Nice. So some quality. I like those colors. Kind of an emerald green color. Really nice looking colors there. And that's it. Is that it? No, there's one more thing in the box. And these are a little set of standoffs. Brass to rubber standoffs for mounting up stacks and flight controllers and stuff. So that's everything in that box. Those little mounts. 3 sets of HQ propellers, which everybody needs all the time. We got our LED set of 1, 2, 3, 4 little bars there. We've got an Omnibus version 5.1 from, I think that was Airbot. We have 1 battery strap. We have some ethics stickers, and we have a very high quality Team Black Sheep Lipo Bag. All right, so that was the unbox for this month, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. We had 2-in-1 on this one. Stay tuned for some of the next unboxes. I'm getting these every month, and I'll let you know what comes in them. Pretty cool stuff. If you're into racing drones, you're always going to need this stuff. So I think it's a pretty good deal. I think it's just around like $40, $45 a month, depending on where you are in the world. And they're putting stuff in here that they know people are going to need and constantly need if you're racing drones. So give these guys a look if you're interested. You can go to droneboxdrop.com right there on the box. I'll also have the link down in the description so you can check these guys out if you are interested and get your own subscription going with Drone Drop. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video and also unboxing of Drone Drop. Thanks for watching.